Hi guys, we are a single headers company, and today I would like to show you our hot cell machine Coolplas 2 portable. And this machine has two treatment handles for reducing fat and weight losing effectively. And you can see there are three parameters in our interface. And the first one is the treatment time, and 40 minutes is the best. And the second one is our suction. The maximum number is 5. And the last one is our temperature, and the lowest temperature can reach 11 below 0. And otherwise, when we are doing the treatment, please don't forget to use ice cool pad for preventing ice jewelry. Yes, right. And our treatment is very convenient and very safe. Because these two treatment hands can be controlled and work independently. So it's very convenient for both a doctor and our patients. And about the interval, 2 months for each section. And one section after, we can reach a very significantly result. That's all. If you are interested in this machine, please contact with us. Thanks a lot for your attention.